So here's a glimpse of where we are. It's a lot. So I concentrated mainly on getting everything up off of the floor. I have my shredder to pick up over there, a tripod and things in between the shelves there. I'm going to take this wood up, and then I'm just going to vacuum to get all of this shred up, and then I will start emptying the shelves.
administration's use. We found Mark Meredith shows us tonight from Captain.
Ooh!
Was there a cover?
Ooh! Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, wow. Jeez, oh my God. Did you see that?
Oh yes, friends, you saw that right. Not only did I clean the craft room, but all of a sudden I thought, I don't need these shelves. I need drawers so I can't see the mess. That's what's throwing me off. Lord. So the first evening, I went and I got a cart and I got one of these shelves or drawer units that you see. They're on sale at Michael's through September 21st. Okay, well, that was yesterday. Sorry. They were on sale half off through yesterday, and so I decided, you know what, I've been looking at this set for years and years and years, and I got the cheapest $30 Target bookshelves in here. Let's upgrade. Let's put a little money into the craft room and see how I like having drawers. And the reason why I had not done drawers to date is because I was worried that if I didn't see everything, I would forget that I have it and it would sit there for years. So I really fought that. But then once I started pulling in all of this stuff that I've been acquiring, faster than I can get it out my door and faster than I can start crafting, I said, you know what? Let's get a real system. Let's just put it in and organize everything. And then in October, I am going to debut Crafttober, which will be where we're doing crafts throughout the month of October with the various products that I have brought in. So I've been watching a lot of different tutorials and things. I make a lot of cards. I've done that before. I've oh Lord, I was watching a little bit too much of that there YouTube and decided, wow, I need die storage like she has on, like Tina's Creations has on her channel. And so I got some envelopes, and then the amount of space that it saved, I was like, well, I need more dies. I've saved over a half of my space. It's a problem, y'all. So then I got on, Amazon, started shopping for dies and stamps and things to make cards because I want that to be my main thing, with other things just, done as pop-up gifts here and there, whatever. So I don't know. I don't know what Crafttober will hold, but I know that I do want to do one solid week of nothing but crafts, Sunday to Saturday. Every day you get a video, 15 minutes hopefully, or less. We'll say 30 minutes or less, and we're going to have a craft. And I'll teach you something that I've found on the internet that I wanted to recreate, and let you come along and just hang out with me and inspire you, I hope, to make lots of things. So, rule number 1, don't use a manual screwdriver if you have arthritis. The next day when I went back and got more of these units, I got my electric screwdriver charged and ready to go. So here's a picture of the first unit that I put together, and how we gonna get everything in there. So here we are the next day. I went and got some more pieces, and I found some great things. I found that pegboard in the dollar spot. Each 12 by 12 panel was like $5, which was cheaper than their big pegboard. So, yeah. We're about a quarter of the way done, I'd say. And here's where smart people learn to start using their electric drill. Yes, that's much easier on the arthritic hands. We're not real sure what we're doing with camera. We're real sorry. I think we're just trying to get the right... Oh, yes. Oh, Lord, yes. By this point, my hands, my feet, my back, my everything hurt. So I had to sit in a chair to put the dang rollers on the bottom of this second shelf because I couldn't stand any more. All I've done is gotten the stuff off of my floor, which filled my bed. So I had to move that into the floor. And then I took everything off of my shelves as I started building these because I wanted this room completely cleared, completely empty, so that I could take one section at a time. Let's start with the paper, all that paper I've brought in, and start organizing it so that I can not feel lost in here or cluttered or messy. It looked awful. So yeah, apparently, oh Lord, yes, those screws were hard to get in with the wheels that are in the way. My electric screwdriver is a little bit too big for that, but if you push the wheel in just the right way, you can get it. Yeah. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 units to sit on top of that have 5 paper slats, like 5 slats in them. I went and got extra slats, so now each of them has 10, and in one of them I have my 12 by 12 cardstock, the plain. The other one I have my plain 8.5 by 11 cardstock on the other side, and in all those drawers, every single one of those drawers, each unit has 5. And I got one for in the middle, so that's 15 drawers filled with paper. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of my stuff because I have all of this other stuff. I'm pointing at the computer like you can see what I'm doing. You see that shelf to my left where all my junk journaling stuff. Where am I what are we going to do? Where are we going to put that? We don't have any place to put anything. Oh, Lord. So I, instead of getting overwhelmed, I just built my pieces. I made sure the floor was clean, scrubbed again, and put everything in place. And then the next day, I just came in, sat down, and started sorting. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay. Anyway, next frame. This is what I was calling, look, I had chips. Once again, not stopping to eat or do anything, whatever. This is what I'm calling the halfway point. Once I got the drawers done and situated in the paper, I saved this one bookshelf and took the shelves from the others and put it in there and just packed it full with all of my machines and all of these bins full of my junk journal stuff. Then I have my new craft cart. There's where all of my drawers and my papers are. I saved my 2 middle, I don't know, I think we called them CD racks or something. I saved those 2 for my planning stuff, and I hung some stuff on the wall. Not happy with it, but it's a start, okay?